the Rockwell T2 stainless steel. I got about a week's worth of growth here, and I wanted to try out these Persona blades in it. I want to see how this blade does, you know, in all the razors that I own. So this is going to be the first one. I haven't shaved with this one for a while, but the cool thing is there's no wax on these, which is awesome. And the Rockwell T2, it's a butterfly, so it just loads in so easily. Tighten it down, and now you pick, you know, what aggression you want from 1 to 6. Great razor here. Lovely razor. Let's see, I'm probably going to do right around a 5. Water on my face. I do have a zit here that I just popped, so it'll be kind of interesting. Does it shear it off or not? Taconic soap. Really nice. Comes in a 10, which is pretty cool as well. And that's what the inside of it looks like. Going in with my Simpson synthetic brush, just, you know, submerging it, prepping the tip, squeeze it out. Now grab some more. See what we can do here. It was pretty good. Feels good. I mean, very, very smooth. Yeah, I mean, this razor is so smooth. On the setting 5 with a Persona blade, I mean, that's almost a perfect shave. That's so good. I mean, so good. I think I'm gonna bump it down. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna leave it there. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave it right there. Yeah, this blade and razor combo's good combo. I mean, this razor in general, I haven't found a blade that doesn't work in it yet. I mean, it's good. Looks like it might have opened up that pimple, you know, from a wide blade exposure. But it's so smooth. Hardest spot on my face is my neck. Just effortless. And you know, this area is so sensitive for me, and this thing, it's great. It's a great razor. Give this a rinse. Now I'm just gonna go in with an alum block. 2 passes. I mean, it's that good. No cleanup, just 2 passes. I don't think it did slice it. That was from me picking it. You know what I mean? And that was an ingrown hair, actually, is what that was. I got that from my last shave. Slight tingle right here. Same here. Nothing down below. I mean, just a smooth razor. Now, granted, a lot of that is, you know, technique, proper technique, but, you know, if you watch my angles, I mean, I'm not like a superstar at this. I'm no master. I'm definitely a beginner. And, you know, it works. All right, so I'm just going to rinse this off my face. Go in with some Thayers. Great stuff. Yeah, it's just so refreshing. Okay. Rockwell's aftershave balm. This stuff is magical. Just a 1 pump. All right, about that razor, I mean, this razor with the Persona blade on it, for me, and I never even had to move it off of 5, you know what I mean? That Persona is, yeah, because it was made in the USA. They're a little more expensive than, you know, some of the other ones made in other countries, but hey, if it's made in the US, I'll give it a shot. So, I mean, that's where I'm at with this one. I clean my razors after every shave, you know, and I'll even set this one upside down, you know, with the claws open. Yeah, what a great razor. I mean, I love the way how it tightens down, and then you have you can make your adjustments up top. I really do like that. That makes it so much easier than, you know, some other adjustable razors. But this butterfly from Rockwell 6C, it's good. The Rockwell T2, it's really good. It's something to look at. But again, it is pricey, but it's made out of stainless steel. Made in the USA as well. Good stuff. Thank you for watching today.